Charts for beginners, an easy way to understand the crypto market. Welcome guys, my name is Pedro and as you may know, I am an expert in the world of cryptocurrencies with more than 8 years of experience, and I work with the online school Money First Work, where we help people start making their first money on crypto. So if you want to learn everything about charts, I recommend you to stay until the end and to give a like to this video to support it. You already know that if you want to make money in crypto, well, charts are a crucial tool. So let's get started. Now, first of all, charts, what are they exactly? Well, they are a visual representation of the price changes. If we would have to think about how the price of something changes, it would be very difficult to see. And that's why we create charts, because they help us make decisions about buying and selling. We get information visually, which is much better. But why are charts needed? Well, because they help us determine the price direction, choosing the best time for trades, and analyze the current market trends. They basically help us to take the best decisions. Okay, there is different type of charts though. We cannot use some of them, or we shouldn't use them because there's others that give us more information. For example, this right here is a candlestick chart. Basically, it gives us detailed information about price fluctuations, while the line chart gives us some information that is clear, but it gives us less information, so it's normally less used. As you can see, this is the chart of Bitcoin in the last year. So as we can see, every single of these lines represents one day. We can choose the time frame. Actually, you can choose 4 hours, we can choose 15 minutes, and every single candle in this case will represent the time frame. In this case, every single candle represents the evolution of the price movement in one day. So with the chart, it's very easy to see the evolution of the price of Bitcoin. Imagine if you would have to go to a newspaper style website and check Bitcoin price yesterday, 69,000, the day before, 68,000. It's not very visual, you don't really get an idea of where the price is going. However, if we put it in a chart, well, we can see the trends, we can see how the price is moving. Now, as I said, there's different type of charts. If we go here to the top, we can select between bars, candles, or line, for example. But as you can see, line gives us much less information. It looks similar, but it doesn't show us the full movement, because the line shows us only one point every day and it puts them together. You can see that when we change between line and candles, well, we have much more movement. For example, look at this movement over here. Okay, we see the price went down and then it went back up. We can see this thanks to the bars. But if we look at the line, we never see that the price actually touched over here. So there is much more information when we put the candles. We will see actually where the price moved during the whole day. There is other ways or other, well, bars that we can use. For example, this one, bars that are common, but the most common one by far is the Japanese candles. It gives us a lot of information. Now, how do we use them? Why are they interesting? Well, because it's very easy with them to find trends, to find supports, to find resistances. For example, very easy to say when we see this graph that the price of Bitcoin over here has been on an uptrend since 2023 going up. Also very easy to see if we take a line from the top all the way down here that we were on a downtrend that we can see here since March of this year, and how we have broken this downtrend and we are now, well, bouncing on that used to be, the downtrend and going up. So all of these things, why can we see them? Well, we can see them because we have a chart. If we wouldn't have a chart, it wouldn't be possible to see them. Now, how do we use the charts to make money? Well, charts, as I said, are a key tool for successful investments. Now, if you want to go further and start making money with charts and start earning in cryptocurrency and learn exactly all of these, well, I recommend you to join us in my course, Crypto Investments Successful Start, where we teach you from the beginning how to analyze charts for a profit, how to start making money on crypto, how to start your crypto journey. So, as always, you can go to the description and you will find the link to the course where you can start learning and start making money literally today. I'm gonna ask you, please give it a thumbs up, and remember to follow us on social media. Follow us on WhatsApp, follow us on Facebook, on Telegram, on Instagram. You have all the links on the description down below. So you can go there to get even more information for free a lot of times. So click over there and find it. Click on the course if you want to start learning and start making money. Give it a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe for more videos like this.